Hello to all my friends out there. So the low carb diet continues. I don't do it real strict. This is last meal. What I do is I started at the half day and I ended at the half day, and I do a lightweight intermittent fast from the time I go to bed until noon the next day. So I usually eat 2 meals a day. So the diet only includes 5 meals, and it's really not that bad. But I think part of the trick is finding low carb food that I like. And then the other trick is just 3 days. I don't know about a full-time diet of this. So I have a little chamomile tea. And I discovered this Voss sparkling water, lime, and mandarin orange, and the only one I could find was lime. So tonight I just have some steak, and this is not a really expensive steak. I bought this steak for $6.50, and that's half. And what I like to eat on the steak is just plain old steak sauce. I have found that just sticking to the meat that you kind of like really helps. And then for hamburgers, I just get my screens, and I forced 2 chipotle peppers through the screen. And then I just add a little mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is something you really want to stockpile because you need mayonnaise for sandwiches and for potato salad for sure. And also, this is better if you don't get too much mayonnaise in it. It does need mayonnaise, though. And then the last thing you need is a little lime juice. Also, this is very delicious on sweet potatoes. Like if you have a baked sweet potato, you don't need the mayonnaise for the sweet potato, but chipotle and lime. I just put a little squirt. I stockpile. That's another thing you want to stockpile. So I have found just from eating this that I like it better on the side than just pouring it on top of my hamburger. So what I did was I bought a hamburger at 99 cents only, and you get 3/4 pound for $3, so that's about a $1 hamburger, maybe a little bit less, so say $4. And when you're on the low carb diet or the carnivore diet, you don't really eat that much. You're just not hungry. And I just fried this steak in some olive oil.